You are a standout performer. Great singing.
Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Mega Sound Optimus Karaoke Smart Karaoke Player. So guys, ito yung kapatid ni Apollo, si Optimus. Ito ay itong kanyang features: 23,000 built-in song, YouTube karaoke. So meron na siyang YouTube guys. Pwede mo na siya i-connect sa internet, monthly song update, live and intelligent scoring, disco music, superb sound quality with deep powerful bass, full band MP3 karaoke song technology, 5.1 channel audio, live sound function, 2 microphone input, professional DSP microphone function, Wi-Fi, tsaka meron na siyang Bluetooth, USB, micro SD card input, home and commercial use coin function. So pwede mo siyang ilagay sa video key box. Meron na siyang apps guys: App Store, Google Play, sa App Gallery sa Huawei. Scan nyo lang ito para ma-download yung kanyang mga apps. Ito guys is ano siya, 4K HD, 1 year warranty, Korean technology. Dito naman is advanced Korean technology multimedia function with RCA HDMI video output. Photo volt na siya guys, 100 to 240. Power consumption is 20 watts. Ito ay 2.3 kg. So yun guys, ito si Optimus. Ito guys is SSD 256 yung kanyang memory. Ito ay kapatid ni Apollo. Yun guys, i-unbox na natin itong Mega Sound Optimus Smart Karaoke Player. RCA cable, HDMI cable, remote control, meron na siyang sticker. Battery sa remote, user manual, saka PCB board para sa buttons sa video. Sama niya. Songbook, malaki ang kanyang songbook. So December 24 yung updated songs niya. Pero meron namang updated naman siya guys. Download nyo lang sa website ni Mega Pro, ni Mega Sound. So guys, ito na ang kanyang player. Ito na guys, ang ganda yung kanyang design. Ito yung kanyang digital mic volume. Ito guys, parang siyang plastic lang yung ano niya. Tapos hindi solid. Digital echo, USB, dalawang mic input. Sa likod guys is meron siyang dalawang antena. Ito para sa Wi-Fi tsaka sa Bluetooth. Ang kanyang antenna sa likod. SD card, HDMI, output, USB. So dalawa yung anong kanyang USB input guys. Ito. Meron sa likod, meron din sa harap. Tsaka meron siyang LAN input, IR input, meron siyang DC 5 volts para sa PCB. Meron din siyang power dito. SD card input dito sa gilid. Maraming function to guys. Maraming function ang Optimus. So yun guys, itetest na natin si Optimus. So let's go!
Sorry, it's DJ.
You can get some.
So guys, kunin natin yung player. Ayan, nag-load na siya. Yung resolution niya is 1080p Full HD. Yun, yung background niya. View. Winter. Photo. So, pwede siya lagyan camera guys. Lagyan ng camera. Na USB. Camera, animals. MTV. Pinas. Sexy. Sport. View. Winter. So, Pinas na lang tayo guys para iwas copyright, baka hindi yan copyright. So, punta tayo setup. Yan yung display sa setup. Video resolution, front brightness, ranking table, message. So, yan yung back tayo. Sa audio, HDMI sound, Bluetooth sound, fanfare, connection, Wi-Fi, internet, mouse pairing, system, mic, volume, mic equalizer, mic delay, karaoke, casual autoplay, off background, data user input. So pwede ka maglagay ng guys, ng sarili mong background. Commercial ad. Display, YouTube quality. Meron na siyang guys, pwede mo siyang i-full HD din yung YouTube quality. Ito yung kanyang coin function, information, Registered. Smart Optimus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Yan guys. So meron siyang boost. Pwede off, pwede on. Mic equalizer. Ayan. Low. Chorus. Reverb.
8, 4,
Meron siyang MTB guys. Meron na siyang MTB ah.
I hear the drums echoing tonight. Without a doubt of you, all my life, now and forever till the day I die, you and I will share all the things this life will give us. So I say, I'll be happy just to be alone and then the sun will shine. I started on my way.
How do we go? Every moment's better was wasted time.
But then I choose to lay down the line.
You are a standout performer. Great singing. I know it leaves me out of mind. Never says life is in your eyes. Without me, I would realize it's over. It's not the way.
I choose to leave. There's something somewhere's got to give. I share in this relationship. It's over.
You are a standout performer. Great singing.
Meron siyang Chinese songs guys. Chinese song. Chinese traditional. User, ito yung kanyang mga MTV. Saka mayroon siyang disco. Check natin na.
You are a standout performer. Great singing.
So pwede ka mag-record dito guys. Try natin mag-record. Try natin mag-record guys.
You are a standout performer. Great singing.
So, pwede natin i-playback guys. Playback, ayan.
So ayun guys. So pwede mo siya i-save sa USB. Yun. So yun guys, gustong mag-avail, PM lang kayo sa ating page. Mega Sound, Optimus Karaoke Player Smart Karaoke. Pwede mo siya i-connect sa ano guys sa internet para maka-YouTube karaoke. Pero hindi naman yung YouTube karaoke kasi na marami ng built-in songs. Almost 23,000 songs yung kanyang built-in. So PM lang kayo sa ating page sa gustong mag-order nito at saka sa ating Shopee account. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe, marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shello Channel.